Hello everyone, myself Ankita Kalita and I'm presenting a topic on prostatectomy, and here it goes. The definition. It is defined as a surgical removal of all or part of the prostate gland. This operation is done for benign conditions that causes urinary retention as well as for prostate cancer and for other cancers of the pelvis. Now, types. There are two main types of prostatectomies performed. A simple prostatectomy. It is also known as a subtotal prostatectomy, which involves the removal of only part of the prostate, and a radical prostatectomy. This involves the removal of the entire prostate gland, the seminal vesicles, and the vas deferens. It is performed for malignant cancer. Let us know about the indications of the surgery. Indications mainly involves benign and malignant conditions. So the benign conditions includes acute urinary retention, recurrent urinary tract infections, and uncontrolled hematuria. And malignant conditions include malignant cancer and prostate cancer. Now, let us know something about the radical prostatectomy. Radical prostatectomy is an operation to remove the prostate gland and the tissues surrounding it. This usually includes the seminal vesicles and some nearby lymph nodes. Radical prostatectomy can cure prostate cancer in men whose cancer is limited to the prostate. There are types of radical prostatectomy, and there are mainly three types of it. First is an open radical prostatectomy, a laparoscopic prostatectomy, and a robot-assisted laparoscopic prostatectomy. Open radical prostatectomy. Here the surgeon makes a vertical 8 to 10 inch incision below the belly button. Radical prostatectomy is performed through this incision. But in rare cases, the incision is made in the perineum, the space between the scrotum and the anus. A laparoscopic prostatectomy. In this, the surgeon makes several small incisions across the belly. Surgical tools and a camera are inserted through the incisions, and radical prostatectomy is performed from outside the body. The surgeon views the entire operation on a video screen. Robot-assisted laparoscopic prostatectomy. In this, small incisions are made in the belly as in regular laparoscopic prostatectomy. A surgeon controls an advanced robotic system of surgical tools from outside the body. A high-tech interface lets the surgeon use natural wrist movements and a 3D screen during the radical prostatectomy. There are certain risks involved in this surgery, and let us know about the risk. First is the urinary incontinence. More than 95% of men younger than the age 50 are continent after a radical prostatectomy is performed. Around 85% of men aged 70 or older maintain continence after the operation. Second risk is erectile dysfunction. Problems with erections are common after a prostatectomy is performed. Still, Most men are able to have sex after prostatectomy while using medicines for erectile dysfunction, such as a Viagra or a Cialis, an external pump, or injectable medications. The younger the men, the higher the chance of maintaining potency after prostatectomy. A period of penile rehabilitation is often necessary. Now, let us also come across the complications of the surgery. The complications includes bleeding after the operation, urinary leaks, blood clots, infections, poor wound healing, groin area, narrowing of the urethra and blocking the urine flow. Thank you.